Hey everybody, this is Mark Rawls from the Geek Church, and I've got this really cool gaming keyboard, and it can also do quite a few other things besides in the gaming community. This is the EPUM Maker MagCore 87, and it is a keyboard that you can, has these transparent keys, as you can see, here, and here. And you can replace them pretty easily. It comes with the ones if you don't really like that. This does a lot of great lighting stuff. I don't really want to demonstrate that now due to lack of time. I go at length on my article and video in my YouTube channel, and I highly recommend liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Anyway, you can get this thing available at the time of recording for pre-order for about $199.99, and that's a pretty solid keyboard. By solid, I mean heavy and very metallic. So, anyway, this is Mark Rawls from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.